think I'm jaded. I let life get to my head. I stop complaining. I'll overthink it instead. This game is draining. So tell me, when does it end? Oh, end.
Hey guys, welcome back to Series 522. So it is storming outside and it's starting to rain, as you can see in the rain. Yeah, and it's so nice out. And the rain kind of smells like chlorine water for some reason. What do you guys think rain smells like? Guys, it's a really bad storm out. Really bad wind. It was raining outside, so I'm wearing a bathing suit because I love getting wet during the summertime when it's raining. And it's just so nice out.
So